how to fix Valorant uh, alt tab problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. All you need to do, right click here, go to task manager, and then go to startup, and here you need to find here you need to disable all the applications that you don't need, like Spotify and things like that. And after that, type here update. Then make sure to update your Windows, and after that just restart your PC. Click restart, and after restarting your PC, try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, let's move to the next step. First, open your folders. You need to find your Riot Games folder location. I have it here, Valorant. Then go to live. Now go to shooter game, binaries, Win64. Here you will find Valorant. Right click on it, properties, go to compatibility, enable the first option and make it Windows 8, and now enable this one, run this program as an administrator, and make sure to disable those two options, disable full screen, and register this program for the start, and click apply and OK. And after that, type here game mode. Now go to game mode settings. After that, go to graphics settings, and now once you're here, enable this option, and then restart your PC. And after restarting your PC, try again. Your problem must be fixed, and if that also doesn't fix your problem, just come back here to game mode settings. Now go to graphics settings, disable this option, and then click browse. And now again you need to find your Riot Games folder, click on it, then click Valorant, live, and click shooter game, binaries, Win64, and here we'll find Valorant. Click on it and click add, and here we'll see it, click on it and click options. Now select, you will find it like that, let Windows decide. Now select high performance and save it. And that's it. After that, try again. If that doesn't fix it, just restart your PC and you will find that your problem is gone. And don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.